Welcome to Albay, a hidden gem in the Philippines that's about to steal your heart. I've spent some incredible time here, and let me tell you, this place is absolutely magical. Picture this. You're standing on a black sand beach watching the sun paint the sky in brilliant oranges and pinks, while the majestic Mayon volcano stands guard in the background. Its perfect cone shape is so stunning it looks like something straight out of a painting. Trust me, your Instagram followers won't believe these shots are real. Speaking of beaches, Albay's coastline is unlike anything you've seen before. The volcanic black sand isn't just beautiful. Locals say it has healing properties. And the water? Crystal clear and perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or just floating your worries away. But Albay isn't just about natural beauty. The city itself is a fascinating blend of old and new. You've got to visit the Daraga Church. Built in the 1770s from volcanic rock, the architecture is simply breathtaking, and the stories these walls could tell. When the sun hits the stone just right, it creates this warm golden glow that's absolutely mesmerizing. Now let's talk about where to stay. From luxury resorts with infinity pools overlooking the volcano, to charming boutique hotels in the heart of the city, Albay has something for every budget. I stayed at this amazing resort where I could watch the sunrise over Mayon volcano right from my balcony. Talk about wake-up calls. But oh my goodness, the food. Let me tell you about Albay's culinary scene. It's the explosion of flavors that'll make your taste buds dance. You've got to try the Bicol Express. It's this creamy, spicy dish that'll warm your soul. And don't get me started on the fresh seafood. The local markets are bursting with colors and aromas that'll make you want to try everything. One of my favorite experiences was joining a cooking class where I learned to make traditional Bicolano dishes. The secret ingredient? Coconut milk in almost everything. And the chili. They don't hold back here, which makes every meal an adventure. The colors of Albay are something else entirely. From the lush green rice terraces to the blue waters of the Pacific, from the black volcanic sand to the vibrant local markets, it's like nature decided to show off all its best work in one place. And the people? Some of the warmest, most welcoming folks you'll ever meet. They're always ready with a smile and eager to share stories about their home. It's their pride and joy in their culture that really makes Albay special. So if you're looking for your next adventure, make it Albay. It's more than just a destination. It's an experience that'll stay with you long after you've returned home. Trust me, once you've experienced the magic of Albay, nowhere else quite compares.